I don't know how to start the videos here because so many things that we have to install today. TonnoFlip products. Okay, we have this Toyota Tacoma, another one today. We have two Tacomas here. I'm not lying, guys. This is every day. TonnoFlip, tonneau cover, TonnoFlip, tonneau cover. This one we're gonna be doing the interior floor mats. I think we have the factory ones, the rubber ones here. Let me show you real quick what we have here. He's taking out the factory Toyota rubber mats and he's replacing them with the best comparison so you guys can see. There you have the difference right there. As you can see, this is a flat design mat. If you spill something over it, it's gonna fall into the liner. This one is gonna stay here. Everything you spill here is gonna stay here. You just take it out, throw it out, dry it, and good to go. Look. Complete protection with the TonnoFlip floor liners. It's very important to clean before you install the door visors. Oh my God, look at this. All that dirt in there. You know why? Because the factory mats are flat, not like the TonnoFlip. Everything that spills there is gonna stay on the mat. Water, I don't care what it is, it's gonna stay there. Let me clean this up real quick before we install the mats. Look at that difference. You can clearly see it. You get something spilled here, it's gonna stay inside the mat. Look, easy insulation. 100% fully protected by the best floor liners. TonnoFlip. Don't be buying nothing else. Plus, our rear mat is not like this one. Comparison with the full protection of TonnoFlip in the back. The whole floor is gonna be protected with these floor liners. Look at this. Another Toyota Tacoma finish here at TonnoFlip Shop. Believe it or not, we get dozens of them every day. TonnoFlip door visors. Wait a second here. The most important thing for protection in the interior. TonnoFlip interior floor mats covering 100% of your floor. We got another Tacoma here doing the same thing. Floor liners, door visors, hard folding tonneau cover. Look, not lying, guys. It might sound crazy, but this is what we do every day. Dozens of trucks, hard folding tonneau cover. We got that Ranger there. Now we're coming to the States, shipping out from Miami, Florida. And you're gonna be able to get all this at TonnoFlip.com. Don't go nowhere else. Wait for us, TonnoFlip is coming.